सिली सोल्स रेस्टॉरंट आड शुक्रारा सुनावणी झाली। ही सुनावणी 22 ऑगस्टा मेरेन तहकूब केल्या। उत्पादन शुल्क खात्याचे आयुक्त नारायण गाड हाणें ह्या रेस्टॉरंटाच्या दनयाक लेखी जाप दिवपाक सांगल्या। हे विशीं आदोगाद आयरिश रॉड्रिगीजान कागाळ केल्ली। उपरांत उत्पादन शुल्क खात्याचे आयुक्त नारायण गाड हाणें रेस्टॉरंटाक कारणां दाखय नोटीस जारी केल्ली। हे रेस्टॉरंट केंद्रीय मंत्री स्मृती इराणी कडेन संबंदीत आशिल्ल्याचो दावो रॉड्रिगीजान केला।
Department all seized of the matter. I am sure truth will soon prevail, and those guilty in obtaining this illegal license and committing all those illegal acts of filling that tenanted field will be brought to book. Smriti Irani, I have never said that the restaurant is in her name. I have said, and I maintain what I say. The restaurant is being run by the family of Smriti Irani. The whole world knows this, and that is a fact. So I have nowhere said that the license is in her name. The license was in the name of Mr. Anthony Gama, who has passed away. Now, one of the son has come today. The other son, because I also pointed out, we need to know where the other son is. Although we know where he is, they have to come out with the truth and say where he is. See, the issues that he has framed. The first issue is the excise license obtained by submitting false and inadequate documents and by misrepresenting facts. This is the first issue. The second issue is, are there procedural irregularities on the part of the excise officials? So these are the two issues which have been framed, and the proceedings now will be guided by these two issues. The next hearing is on August 22nd. Different people say different things. People say that it is temporarily closed. I don't know, because the authorities will have to act. Now, since the construction itself is illegal, and that is what the Panchayat has admitted publicly, by giving me information on the RTI, that they have not given any licenses whatsoever. But more importantly, the Town and Country Planning Department, because of this land filling, that is a very serious issue. I have also pointed out to the Town and Country Planning Minister, Mr. Vishwajit Rane. I have drawn his attention. I filed a written complaint with the Chief Town Planner yesterday, and I am sure they will act.